Have you ever wondered why boys tend to be more active and energetic than girls? It's not just a stereotype, but a fact rooted in science and psychology. Welcome to the world of boys, a fascinating universe filled with surprises and wonders, where each fact is more astonishing than the last. Did you know that boys have a higher chance of being born than girls? For every 100 girls born, there are approximately 105 boys. This biological fact is known as the sex ratio at birth. However, this ratio doesn't stay balanced, as boys tend to have higher mortality rates than girls, particularly during the first years of life. Now, let's delve into the world of education. Boys are more likely to struggle with reading and writing skills compared to girls. It's not that they are less smart, but their brains are wired differently. Boys' brains are more suited to spatial and visual tasks, which is why they often excel in subjects like math and physics. Speaking of brains, did you know that boys' brains develop at a different rate than girls? The part of the brain responsible for language and fine motor skills matures about 6 years earlier in girls than in boys. On the other hand, the area of the brain involved in targeting and spatial memory matures earlier in boys than in girls. Now, let's talk about energy. Boys are generally more active than girls. This is partly due to their higher levels of testosterone, which promotes muscle strength and endurance. If you've ever wondered why boys seem to have an endless supply of energy, now you know. When it comes to emotions, boys are often misunderstood. Society tends to encourage boys to suppress their feelings, leading to the common belief that boys are less emotional than girls. However, research shows that boys are just as emotional as girls, but they express their feelings differently. In the realm of psychology, boys are more likely to be diagnosed with attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, than girls. This could be due to boys' generally more active nature and the fact that symptoms of ADHD are more noticeable in boys than in girls. So, what have we learned about boys today? First, more boys are born than girls, but they also have higher mortality rates. Second, boys and girls excel in different academic areas due to the differences in brain development. Third, boys are generally more active due to higher testosterone levels. Fourth, boys are just as emotional as girls, but they express their feelings differently. And lastly, boys are more likely to be diagnosed with ADHD. These facts about boys are not just trivia. They are important information that can help us understand and support boys as they grow and develop. By acknowledging these facts, we can create a more inclusive and understanding society for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of boys.